Hello? Can you hear me? This, my friends, is an Xbox One, and it has no power. Orange light on the power brick. So let's plug this in. Pew! Light's gone. So you can see it lights up white for a split second, and then it dies. As far as my limited understanding goes, that's the protection in the power brick shutting down because there's some kind of a problem with the console. I have tried this with my known working power brick, and exactly the same thing happens. So I can discount this being the problem. It's this bad boy right here. Now this belongs to a friend of my daughter's, and as you can see, they obviously like putting the cups of coffee on it, and it looks like someone's jabbed a screwdriver in to try and prise this up. But looking at the back, so it doesn't look like it's been opened before. That looks like it's still intact. And while we're on the back, there's quite a bit of dust in here. So let's disconnect. And let's open this bad boy up, if I can remember how to do it. Oh my god. Just while I'm doing this, I'd like to thank my Holy Hand Grenade patrons, Tidder, Taylor Helton, and Ellis Garbett. Thanks guys, much appreciated. Oh my. I mean, could all this dust stop this from turning on? I mean, I wouldn't have thought so. If anything, you'd think it would overheat, so it would come on and then turn off. Or maybe it's been overheating and it's damaged something. Right, well I need to get to the board, don't I? So what do I do now? Oh, good God. Oh my God. I think I see the problem. Let's get this under the microscope. That doesn't look too healthy, does it? I mean, if I'm honest, I can't really tell what's going on there. Looks like a capacitor, two capacitors that have sort of exploded. But then what's... Oh, dearie me. What's this like? Oh, what on earth is going on here? Has that burnt the... What is that? Is that the circuit board? Has it burnt it all away? Oh, wow. What am I going to be able to do with this? These are the MOSFETs, aren't they, here? These are the power MOSFETs, so something's obviously gone wrong with one of these. I mean, as much as I want to get rid of all this dust, I don't really see there's any point until I can work out what's going on here. I mean, is it just the capacitors that have failed, or is this MOSFET failed? Let's see if it's shorting. I'd say that was a big yes. I mean, I don't know how far down the damage has gone there, do I? I'm probably going to have to take these off and just see if I can clean it up and have a look. So if I take this MOSFET off, whatever's left of these capacitors, I don't know whether that little resistor there is okay. But let's start by doing that. Yeah, that's definitely damaged as well. That is not coming off. Wow. Wow. I mean, is this going to be repairable, or am I just wasting my time? Let's have a look at the one next to it. So, in theory, the bit that's all exposed, this copper bit here, is just this piece here, isn't it? And all four of these legs of this MOSFET are connected to this capacitor and this capacitor and this resistor. Now the resistor's gone, the track's completely gone from there. But in theory, is there anything to stop me running, if I can get a MOSFET on that works, and it goes to this side of a resistor there, and to this side of a capacitor there and a capacitor there, if I can work out what those capacitors are, would that work? Let's put it in diode mode. It's got 0.63 voltage drop there. There we've got a short, and there we've got a short. Don't think that's right, is it? I mean, all of these capacitors are shorting on both sides. So I don't think that is necessarily the only problem here. Right, I'm just going to take that off as well. I'm going to take them off one at a time. I think what might actually be the problem here is that where this damage is here, it's possible that it's gone through the board and it's shorting the whole thing out. Well, let's see how we can get on. Now let's take this this big MOSFET off. Short's still there. The only thing left, I think, there is that resistor. I mean, I could be wrong, but as far as I can tell now, it's got to be the fact that this is shorting to ground here, because it's burnt right through. I mean, there's some wires here, and I don't know where they go. This is, I mean, it's just completely ruined. I've got a feeling I might have to call it quits on this. I can't see how. I can't see how I'm going to be able to fix it. I mean, that looks pretty deep. And this is obviously a multi-layer board, so that is definitely going to have burnt through, isn't it? And so I don't think there's anything. There you go, you can see some more copper underneath there. So I don't think there's going to be anything I can do with this. So I think we can see the different layers. So we've got, this is the top piece. Then we've got another layer there, and what looks like another layer there. So I think it's burnt through. And yeah, I'm guessing that's game over. Unless anyone can tell me otherwise. But I don't think there's anything I can do with that. Damn.